Hello guys, welcome back to Funny Soft Tech. Okay, so I hope you guys previous session we know about what is npm and what is package management in the Angular. Okay, let me check our project. Is it completed or not? Yes, now it is completed. Added 1121 packages from something. Okay, now project is created. See where we have to create inside that Angular. So student management system, it is created that entire project. Okay, this is the structure of the project. Okay, fine. So we need one IDE for the Angular. What is that IDE? So actually we are choosing recommended things are, one is the WebStorm. This is the proprietary version of the JetBrains. Okay, proprietary to the JetBrains. We need to buy the license of this IDE. So, and Visual Studio Code. This is one more IDE as the open source. Okay, so now we are going to download the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so open your browser. Okay, open your browser and just type download Visual Studio Code. Okay, see code.visualstudio.com/download. This is the link. Okay, you just click on that link. Okay, at starting page itself they are providing the download links. So according to your operating system, you can go ahead and download that appropriate version. Okay, so Windows, for example you are in a Windows, then you can use 64-bit or 34-bit as user installation or system installer. Okay, so or if you can click that here, it's directly downloaded. See, it's already downloaded. So just cancel the downloading because I already downloaded, and just after downloading just install that application. Okay, normal installation only, just click next and finish. Okay, after the installation it's look like this, Visual Studio Code. Let me open that IDE and we will import the project into IDE. Okay, it is opening. So these are the previous projects. If you have very first time you downloaded, then it's showing like a welcome page. Okay, let me show that window. So new window. Okay, see, this is the open file, welcome file. Okay, these are my recent projects and a new file like this. Okay, you just close that welcome file if you want. Then how you can import the project? If you go through like open file like this, or you can just drag and drop simply. Okay, this is our project, right? You just drag and drop to here, then automatically it is imported. Okay, the project is imported here. So this is the project structure. So here I already told you, right? Package.json file, you can see here. This is the npm heart. Okay, these are all the packages and versions. See, Angular forms, Angular HTTP, Angular animations. See, this is the dependencies section. Here these are all the packages. It's like a jars or dependencies of the Maven, like that. Same here, Angular also we can call it as a packages. Okay, these are all the packages. If you want to include anything, you can include here for the new dependencies or new packages, and just click type the command as a npm install. Okay, this is the package.json file. This is related to npm, node package manager. Okay, and this is the angular.json. This is also root of the our project actually. Okay, here root styles are there. If you want to use any styles, you can declare here. Okay, any scripts you have to import here, declare here, like that. So while going on project, moving forward, we will learn each and everything for the project structure. Okay, as a developer, we need to develop a small component. Okay, then tslint.json. tslint.json in the sense it look like a what we call as it's a standard. For example, simply says for example how we can declare as a, I am talking about Java. Just understanding purpose, I need to assign a string to string variable. How we can assign string, or we can use JavaScript, normal JavaScript, where for example name equals to Phani soft take. This is the string variable, so we need to give double quotes mandatory. Okay, in JavaScript you can use, instead of double quotes, single quote also. Are you getting single quotes also? Okay, but the standard, the project standard is you need to define only, try to give single quote or double quote for string variable. Like that I am declaring one standard. Okay, so if you give this single quote inside this project, inside the JavaScript or inside the TypeScript, okay, we will learn about the TypeScript, what is TypeScript, everything, no problem. So it's showing like something error. Okay, because of we are declaring as a standard. If it is a string variable, you need to give double quote, like that we are giving one standard. So that's what is showing some warning type of error. Okay, so we can go to mandatorily we can give as a double quote only. So this type of, for example, one more example is after declaration of the variable, if you give any space and click that enter, so this empty space is going to be maybe it occupies some space, right? So we need to give like a standard, no need to give the extra spaces, like that. So whenever you give something spaces, then it automatically showing warnings. You can, okay, this type of empty spaces, like that there are several standards are there. Whatever we want we can declare inside the tslint.json file. So this is the standards declaration file. Okay, these are the standard declaration file. Okay, that's it. So okay, we are concentrating on this each and every files. After going forward, while going forward the project, we will see that each and every file. Okay, as a developer, okay, and here E2E is there. What is E2E? E2E is the end-to-end testing. This is the root testing module. As of now, you can park it as an aside. So then node modules. This is like this is look like our jar dependencies, right? Here packages, every package is installed here inside that node modules folder. Sorry. So okay, then as a developer, src folder is the main important folder. When I extend this folder, you have to find a lot of files here. Okay, lot of files is there inside that src. Okay, as of now we can park it as a side of each and every file inside that src, only concentrating on app folder. App is the one component. Inside that component we have 4 types of files. Okay, so we are strongly defined as a component folder. For example, my component is a sample component. So what it's look like, sample is a component name. Inside that component, okay, inside that component we have 4 types of files are created. Sample dot component dot html, okay, sample dot component dot css file, sample dot component dot, okay, sample dot component dot tgs file, typescript file, sample dot component, sample dot component dot specification or spec dot ts file. These four types of files are created under the component. Okay,